welcome to a new video. Today we have a very different painting from the previous one, which is a little bit more romantic or perhaps nostalgic, but it is also a very quiet scene with a lovely illustration. And something that I really like is the natural touch of the leaves in the composition, which is in part the reason why I chose the image. In the process of making it, the most important thing I should say was the challenge of paint all the colors that influence others by mixing with each others. In this case, the most frequent was the green tones. The skin was also a difficult area by the contrast of the lights, but also at the same time it is represented by the softness, and among all these intermediate tones, it was necessary to make the right balance of the gray tones without darkening the paint too much. And that was basically in general some of the most important things that I learned from this painting, which has finally turned out to be one of my favorites. So I'll leave you guys with the rest of the process. I would very much like you to comment if you like it and if it has helped you, or if you have learned something like me in all this process. So bye, and as always I hope to see you in another video.